Is your BMW F10 key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot. First, the most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob. Ensure correct polarity. If a new battery doesn't solve it, the fob may be out of sync with the car's FEM BDC module. Finally, antenna issues might be the reason, especially in areas with extreme weather, since the physical antennas in the door handles or bumper can corrode. Start with the easiest fix, the battery, then move to diagnosing the other issues. Replacing the battery is straightforward. Just ensure you use a new CR2032 lithium-ion battery and match the polarity. For resyncing, enter the car, close the doors, insert the key, and cycle the ignition without starting the engine 5 times. Then remove the key, press and hold the unlock button, and press the lock button 3 times while holding unlock. Release all buttons. This is a common method for resyncing.